Hello students and welcome to eTution, Education for Better Tomorrow. I am Devashmita and I am here to teach you English. So, आज हम क्लास 7 का फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे and the name of the chapter is The Tiny Teacher. Okay? So, अभी आप बताओ कि आप ये टॉपिक सुन के आपको कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब किसके बारे में हो सकता है ये टॉपिक. एनी आइडिया, एनी गैसेस? चलो कोई बात नहीं, हम अभी सीखेंगे कि हु इज दिस छोटा सा टाइनी टीचर इन दिस चैप्टर. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. नेम द स्मॉलेस्ट इंसेक्ट यू हैव सीन एंड द वाइजेस्ट वन. सो नाउ देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू कि बच्चों, which is the smallest insect and the wisest one you ever know? Any guesses? Okay, here are some guesses, right? Okay, is it the fly? जो मक्खी उड़ती है, क्या that insect is this fly? No, it isn't. Okay, वो मक्खी है ही नहीं. Okay. सो एनी मोर गैसेस, क्या हो सकता है? इज इट द मस्क्यूटो? मच्छर है क्या सबसे इंटेलिजेंट कि आपका खून चूस के चले जाएं एंड आप मारते मारते वो उड़ के चले जाएं? इज इट द मस्क्यूटोज हु ड्रिंक योर ब्लड? नो, नॉट द मस्क्यूटो. अब ये आंसर भी गलत कि मस्क्यूटो भी नहीं है. ओके, सो एनी मोर केसेस? देन इट मस्ट बी द वॉर्म. सो अभी आप सोच रहे हो कि तो पक्का कीड़ा ही होगा, वॉर्म होगा. ये इंटेलिजेंट है? इज दिस द स्मॉलेस्ट क्रीचर वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ? नो, नॉन ऑफ दिस. भाई इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली में वो आंसर है क्या? कौन से क्रीचर की बात हम लोग यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं? इट इज द एंट, द कॉमनेस्ट, द स्मॉलेस्ट बट द वाइजेस्ट इंसेक्ट. ठीक है, ये जो आप चींटी देख रहे हो, दिस इज द वाइजेस्ट क्रीचर एंड द टीनिएस्ट वन. छोटा है मगर साइज पे मत जाना, ओके, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, देखो कैसे चल रहा है. ओके, सो द स्टोरी ऑफ एंट्स लाइफ साउंड्स ऑलमोस्ट अनट्रू. ओके, तो अगर हम एंट्स के बारे में स्टोरीज पढ़ेंगे, सो यू विल फील लाइक कहानी ही है, इसमें कुछ सच्चाई नहीं हो सकती. इट कैन बी ट्रू, राइट? बट पीपल हैव केप्ट एंड्स एज पेट्स एंड हैव वॉच्ड देयर डेली बिहेवियर क्लोजली. ओके, सो आप अपने घर पे पेट्स क्या रखते हो? कुत्ते, बिल्ली, मछली, एंड उसको क्या नाम देते हो? टॉमी, किटी, या फिर अगर फिश हुआ तो उसको गोल्डी नाम देते हो. बट हियर आर पीपल हु हैव केप्ट एंड्स एज देयर पेट्स. अब पेट्स हैं, देन दे मस्ट हैव सम इंटेलिजेंस. नहीं तो वो आपकी बात कैसे मानेंगे? हाउ वुड दे अंडरस्टैंड यू? इफ दे हैव केप्ट एंड्स एज द पेट्स, देन ऑफ कोर्स दिस टीनी क्रीचर इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, एंड पीपल हैव वॉच्ड देयर लाइफस्टाइल. ओके, वो क्या करते हैं, हाउ दे आर लिविंग देयर डेली रूटीन, they have watched them closely, right? So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking and intelligent creature. So अगर आपने बचपन में वो ग्रासहॉपर एंड एंट का वो जो स्टोरी पढ़ा होगा, so you know that ant is very hardworking. वो कभी सीजन देख के एंजॉय नहीं करता, बट आने वाले टाइम के बारे में सोच के अपना काम जारी रखता है. ओके, for the rainy season it collects its food in the summer season only. जहाँ के grasshopper used to dance and enjoy the season. Okay, so ये छोटा सा creature hardworking है ना, it's so hardworking and intelligent too because it prepares for the future. मतलब इंसानों के पास ये ताकत होती है कि वो थोड़ा फ्यूचर में सोच सके. मगर यहाँ पे हम ये छोटे से चींटी को देख सकते हैं कि दैट इज विजुअलाइजिंग द फ्यूचर, कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, फॉर वॉट इट इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली. सो ये हार्ड वर्किंग भी है एंड हमारा छोटा सा इंटेलिजेंट फ्यूचर भी है. इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है ना ये स्टोरी? सो लेट्स प्रोसीड। आगे क्या होता है देखते हैं, इनके बारे में और थोड़ा सा जानकारी लेते हैं। ओके, लेट्स टेक सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस टीनी क्रिएचर। ओके, an ant uses its feeler or antenna to talk to other ants by passing message through them. Okay, so these are your feelers. ये जो एंटेना की तरह आपका लगा हुआ है, these are your feelers, or from which they can contact or send messages to each other. Got it? So these ants are very intelligent. Just like we talk to each other, talk to our friends, our parents and everyone, they also do their talking through these antennas. Okay, so now we are able to know some good facts about these teeny creature जो शायद हमको अब तक पता नहीं था। And आपने देखा भी होगा कि when these ants move in rows, so if they are crossing each other, then they touch their antennas and they convey their messages. Okay, so they have a good communication for which their teamwork is very good. Okay, we should learn the teamwork from an ant. Okay, watch a row of ants moving up and down the wall. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. जो कि मैंने अभी कहा कि अगर आप देखो कि the ants are crossing each other, then you can find that they are touching their feelers. वो जो एंटेना के जैसे निकला हुआ है, they are touching their feelers and they communicate with each other. Okay, so इसीलिए ही तो कि when a single ant finds food, ठीक है, it conveys its मतलब message so quickly that the other ants gather around it, and soon there is a क्राउड ऑफ एंड्स। आप एक ग्रुप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे कि एंड्स आके पहुँच गए वहाँ पे। सो ये सब कैसे हो रहा है? इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज द एंटेनास एंड द फीलर्स ऑफ द एंड्स। ओके, देयर आर मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ एंट। द कॉमनेस्ट अमॉन्ग देम आर द ब्लैक एंड द रेड वंस। सो इन दोनों ये दो काइंड ऑफ चींटियाँ हैं, इनको हमने बहुत कॉमनली देखा है। रेड वाली थोड़ी हमको काट लेती है and we get a swell up, and this black one is innocent one. It doesn't harm, it doesn't bite, it doesn't do anything, it just curls upon your body, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से हमको uncomfortable फील हो जाता है। And these two are the common type of ants we see on a regular basis, ठीक है। या फिर आप कुछ अलग कलरफुल रेनबो कलर के आप ants देखते हो क्या? No, we commonly see these red ants and this black ants. Okay, we have seen them since we are children but haven't paid enough attention to them, and we see these ants on a regular basis, ठीक है। someday in the kitchen, someday in the dining, कहीं पे वो वॉल से निकल रही हैं, कहीं पे खाना लेके चली जा रही है। we notice them regularly, मगर हमने कभी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया है because they are very common ना। हमारी केसेस में, ह्यूमंस के केसेस में, वी ओनली पुट अटेंशन टू दोज थिंग्स व्हिच आर नॉट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस। जो हमें डेली बेसिस पे नहीं मिलते हैं, हम उन पे बड़ा ध्यान देते हैं। मगर ये जो छोटे छोटे इंटेलिजेंट क्रिएचर्स हैं, ये हमको डेली बेसिस पे मिलते हैं, बट वी डोंट पुट सो मच अटेंशन टू इट। ओके ओके, वेयर डू दे लिव? In their comfortable homes called nest or ant hills. So in the picture you can see there is a huge hill like structure. Okay, इनके अंदर you have a lot of ants. Okay, and these are the homes of this teeny creature. Okay, because इनके अंदर बहुत सारे ants रहते हैं, and if we see that there are many rooms like structure through which the ants get inside and come out, collect their food and keep inside it. Okay, so they are these creatures home. Okay, जैसे कि हमारा घर होता है, उनका घर ये है. Okay, each has 100 of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms the queen ant lays eggs. Okay, तो जैसे कि birds अपना अंडा कहाँ पे देती है? नेस्ट पे देती है. So what will the queen ant do? Where do it lay her eggs? Obviously in the ant hills, right? So the queen ant lays its egg in the ant hill and there are lots of rooms. जैसे कि हमारे घर पे rooms होता है, तो there are lots of rooms in these ant hills. Okay, and here the queen ant lays her eggs. Okay. Other are nurseries for the young ones. Okay, so there are special rooms for this queen ant to lay her eggs. And what is nursery? Nursery is where those eggs, okay, the larva of the ant grows. Okay, जैसे कि छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स को बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करते हैं, we create a nursery where we provide nutrients to the small plants and they grow there, and after a certain limit जब plant थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है, we transfer them to some other place where it can grow. But for its initial phase या फिर starting phase के लिए we put the plants in the nursery. Okay, अच्छा. So here it is said that there is a special room for the queen ant because queen ant is the मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे कि head. Okay, head है. So there is a special room for her where she lays the eggs. And उसके बाद there are lots of chambers, बहुत सारे rooms हैं. Okay, and there is a nursery for the eggs and the larva of the ants. Okay, okay. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching the food. Okay, so what do these worker ants do? There is a queen ant and now we are reading about the worker ants. Okay, so their work is, the work of the workers ants are, they would search the food, they would bring to the queen. Okay, because queen doesn't have any other work except of giving laying eggs. Okay, उसका बस काम है कि वो अंडे देती है. Okay, and all the things for her is done by these worker ants. मतलब उनका खाना लेके आना, उनको खाना खिलाना, प्रोवाइडिंग प्रॉपर हाउस एंड ये सब बिल्ड करना, these all works are done by the worker ants, right? Okay. Some rooms serve as storehouse for this food. And हमारे घर पे जैसे कि हमारा एक स्टोर हाउस होता है, so they do also have a storehouse. Okay, ants का भी स्टोर हाउस होता है. So देखो कितना इंटेलिजेंटली दे हैव डिजाइन देयर एंट हिल्स. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है ना कि जस्ट एग्जैक्टली कॉपी एज द ह्यूमन बींग्स द एंट्स आर ऑल्सो बिल्डिंग देयर हाउस. छोटे से हैं मगर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, राइट? सो some rooms are served as the storehouse for the food. Soldiers have separate barracks. Okay, so soldiers भी तो है ना, workers हैं, soldiers हैं, queen ant है. So they have all separate rooms. Okay, no worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. Okay, and they don't quarrel with each other कि मुझे ये वाला चाहिए वो वाला चाहिए. जिसको जो मिला है they adjust with it or they live to it. They live in it very happily. Okay, no worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out for searching the food. Everybody is doing the work assigned to them. Okay, they don't quarrel with each other. They just take up their responsibility and do whatever is needed. Okay, acha. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. What is a grub? Grub is the little ants inside the cocoons. ठीक है, cocoons मतलब उनके जो eggs हैं उसके अंदर जो छोटे छोटे वो जो ants का मतलब लावा होता है, that is your grubs, right? Okay, so you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. Okay, so मैंने जो कहा कि उनके अंदर बहुत coordination है. They cooperate with each other. They do whatever is needed to do in the group. Okay, and they don't fight. Okay, they live peacefully. Unlike us कि हम लोग हर 2 घंटे में लड़ते रहते हैं, कभी बहन से, कभी मम्मा से, कभी पापा से, पता नहीं किससे. Okay, so the life of the ants are very peaceful. Okay, So here is our queen ant. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. So this ant is the mother of the entire population of the ant. Okay, उस ant hill में, a single ant hill में, the number of ants are completely her only. Means she has laid the eggs, and from which the worker, the soldier, the cleaner have been born. Okay, it lives about 15 years and the lifespan of this ant is 15 years. Okay, it has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. Okay, so she does a wedding flight. Wedding flight का क्या मतलब है कि when she goes for mating या फिर मेल एंड से जब मिलने जाती है, so she bites off, मतलब अपने जो पर निकले होते हैं she cuts it. Okay, this flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant. Okay, or thrown high up in the air. On its return to the earth, it gets rid of the wings and then does nothing but lay eggs. Okay, so after meeting the male ant, okay, her only work remains is to lay eggs in the ant hill. Okay, and after that wedding flight only she cuts her wings. Okay, so फीमेल जो मतलब जो ये क्वीन एंट है उसके पहले से पर हुए होते हैं, एंड आफ्टर मीटिंग मतलब मीटिंग द मेल एंट शी कट्स द विंग्स. राइट, ओके. सो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं एंट के बारे में. इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन तो हमारे पास था भी नहीं. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. एग्स हैच एंड ग्रब्स कम आउट. जो कि मैंने कहा कि अंडों के अंदर जो छोटे छोटे लार्वा होते हैं या फिर द प्री स्टेज ऑफ द एंड्स, ओके, दे हैच एंड कम आउट. ओके, द ग्रब्स कम आउट. Soldiers guard them, workers feed and clean them, and also carry them out daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. Okay, so here the soldiers basically soldiers का काम क्या होता है? They would guard. Okay, so they do the same thing here. They guard the grubs. Okay, workers feed and clean them, and the worker ants clean them and feed them. नहाना ज़रूरी है, साफ करना ज़रूरी है. So these works are done by the workers. Okay, and also carry them about daily for airing. Airing का मतलब है हवा खिलाने के लिए. Okay, so we just go on a walk to get some fresh air. So similarly, the ants take the grubs out of the ant hills so that they could get some air. Right? If you have seen in the rainy season, okay, these ants carry some white color spots on their mouth. Okay, so those are your grubs. They came out for airing them. Okay, अच्छा. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Okay, and after these activities, it is converted to cocoon. Cocoon मतलब एक सख्त लेयर इनके चारों ओर हो जाता है. ठीक है, जैसे कि if you know that the caterpillar gives birth to the butterflies, right? So when the caterpillar is shading its hairs, right? Caterpillar has hairs. So shading its hairs, it forms a cocoon, and after it completely converts into a butterfly, it cuts the cocoon and a butterfly comes out of it. Okay, so similarly it happens with the ants that after airing and doing such activities like exercise and sunshine, it forms a cocoon around it, a solid layer around it. Okay, protective layer, and for more 3 weeks the cocoons do not have any activity. कुछ काम नहीं करते, इधर उधर कुछ नहीं चाहते. They completely take rest for 3 weeks. Okay, then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Okay, so जैसे कि कैटरपिलर का कोकून ब्रेक होके बटरफ्लाई निकलता है, तो सिमिलरली एंट्स का कोकून ब्रेक होके परफेक्ट एंट्स निकलते हैं. ओके, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर टीचिंग एंड ट्रेनिंग. एंड नाउ दे विल लर्न व्हाट दे शुड डू. ओके, जैसे कि उनका वर्क डिवाइड हो जाता है. यू विल बिकम अ वर्कर, यू विल बिकम अ स्वीपर, यू विल बिकम अ क्लीनर, यू विल बिकम अ सोल्जर. सो देयर वर्क गेट्स डिवाइडेड एंड दे are to be trained so that they should know what they should do. Okay, so this is their training period, right? New ants learn their duties from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaner, etc. So before doing anything, we learn the things. Before appearing the exams, we attend the classes so that we know the chapters. We read, write, practice. Then only we can give the examination. Okay, so similarly, before coming into this world outside the ant hills, they should learn what they should do. Okay, their duty is assigned to them and they are divided to workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Okay, so they learn their work. Okay, after a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out in the big world. So as I have told, they know their work, then they are ready to go outside the ant hill to face the world. Okay, an ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures. Okay, beetles, lesser breeds of ants and greenfly. Okay, that the ant hills are not just the home of the ants. Okay, वहाँ पे और भी तरह के insects रहते हैं. So which kind of insects are there? Beetles. Okay, the lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. Okay, so there we can find along with ants, these creatures also live in the ant hills. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? And अभी आप सोच रहे हो कि घर तो ants का है. So why do these ants would allow any other creature to live inside the ant hill? Right? For several reasons. There is not a single reason. There are lots of reasons for this. Okay. Some give off smell of pleasant to the ants' senses. Okay. So some release a sweet smell for the ants that feelers. Right. Other give sweet juices and some are just pets or the playing things like cats and dogs to the human beings. Right. तो कुछ उनको क्या देते हैं स्वीट स्मेल लाइक थिंग्स देते हैं कि दे फील मतलब जैसे कि हम परफ्यूम यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर देयर परफ्यूम सम गिव दैट सेंसेशन. ओके, सम प्रोवाइड स्वीट जूसेस. ओके, एंड सम आर जस्ट पेट्स फॉर द एंड्स. जस्ट सी द लेवल ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस कि हम लोग पेट्स रख रहे हैं. द टीनियस्ट क्रिएचर आर इवन कीपिंग पेट्स. Oh my god, these are something really unique things you are learning, right? Okay. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk with a touch of their antenna. Okay? So क्या होता है? ये तो रहा हमारा beetle and this is your green fly. Okay? So this is the cow of the ants, right? Cow of the cow हमको क्या देता है? Milk देता है. And these green fly give honeydew to the ants, and this is known as the cow of the ants, right? Because it gives that honeydew like milk. मतलब जैसे कि हमारा मतलब होता है ना, गाय हमको दूध देती है. Similarly, the green fly gives honeydew. ठीक है? And how it gives? When the ants with its antenna touches the green fly, it starts giving the honeydew. Okay? They milk it just as well as we milk the cow. Okay? So ऐसा करके ants also get the honeydew from this green fly. Okay? Have human beings learned as much as the ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learnings to good use. They may still learn a few things from the teeny teacher. Okay, so now the book is telling that इन्होंने तो बहुत कुछ सीख लिया, ants ने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. Did we learn just like them? Are we good learners as them? Okay. The book is telling that we should learn more things from this tiny creature. Okay. Hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for young ones, and above all a firm loyalty to land where they live. Okay. So we should learn all these qualities, जैसे कि discipline. Okay. They work and walk in a straight line, in a teamwork. Their coordination is too good. Okay. The sense of duty, they are assigned to that work and they will stick to that work. Okay. They don't get diverted, they don't go here and there and do others work, or they complain about their work. Okay. Care for the young ones. You have already listened that the soldiers, or the workers take the grubs out of the anthill and they carry them, they exercise them and everything else, right? And above all, loyalty to land where they live, and they are very loyal to the place where they live, right? So we should learn all these things from this tiny creature ant. Okay. So what we learned? Through the size of the ant is too small, but we learn a lot of things from this small insect, right? कितना कुछ हमने सीख लिया. Okay. Hence, ant is our tiny teacher. Okay. So हमारा title head क्या था? And the tiny teacher. Now we know कि हमारा वो छोटा सा गुरु कौन है? The ant. So ant is our tiny teacher. Okay. So here is the end of our video, and if you liked our video, so please like, comment and share, and do not forget to download the eTutions application, because we provide quality education for CBSE and BSE. Thank you.